Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and doing a nail look with the SXC LAZYGIRL Poly Nail Gel Kit. This kit is adorable. Look at the packaging. It's got a freaking unicorn. I love it. In the kit, you're going to get this really nice UV LED light. It's got your 10 second, 30 second, 60 second, and 99 second low heat mode button. You have, of course, your instruction manual. Right here, 48-watt lamp. It's got 36 lights. That's a powerful light. Very powerful. They always include a really nice lamp. Of course, you get this cute little sticker. Look how adorable. I love it. And then, guys, what? Like, really? They finally gave you some full covered nails. You get stiletto and ballerina, and let me just say, these babies are long and I like them. So there you go. You get a coffin and you get a stiletto or ballerina, whatever. So of course you guys already know you're going to measure those nails, make sure they go from one side wall to the other without pressing down. You get these really nice, pretty nice size 30 ml polygels. White, pink, and clear. You get a cuticle oil, which is really nice. You get a slip solution, also very nice, all 8 mLs. You get an extend gel, which I don't use in this video, but we will use in another video. You get your base and top coat. You get these shredded foils, gold and silver. You do get dual forms, okay, in case you do want to use them. You get a whole bunch of really nice stuff. 180 grit file, some really nice tweezers, some striper tape, liner tape, whatever you call it. You get a really nice, beautiful brush. They've always got some nice brushes. You get a wax pencil. These are some beautiful blings. And then you get this pack of glitters, which also has a little set of bling in there, like little AB rhinestones. Okay, so going in with the coffin, and like I said, you're going to measure that from one side wall to the other. Make sure it fits without pressing down. These would also be really great for making press-ons. So give it up for SXC, you guys. Give it a big thumbs up if you like SXC cosmetic polygels. Because, girl, I'll tell you what, I have almost all their kits, and they are freaking amazing. And right here, I'm just showing you that, yes, it is thinner down by the cuticle area, which it is supposed to be, and it is thicker up. Now, I could go ahead and bend the whole thing, but, yeah, it's great, you guys. They did a great job. No lines after I had bent it, no creasing, nothing. So really good job, SXC. Now I am choosing my glitters. I think I go in with the pink, the iridescent, the silver, and the blue. And then I use some of the silver foil. Alright, I'm going to go in with the SXC base coat. Go ahead and apply that on the underside of the nail. Once that's applied, you can go ahead and start adding your glitters in whichever way, shape, or form that you want them to go. I do dab a little bit of that base on my brush just to be able to grab the glitters. And then I just start applying those on the underside of that nail. I went in with the blue, the iridescent, the pink, and the silver. Now the silver glitter is a holographic silver. Now I don't know too many companies that actually put an extend gel except like Après with their kits. So congrats to SXC. Like, they are moving up in this world. And once you have your glitters placed where you want them, you're going to go ahead and do a 10 to 15 second flash cure on that. That's what it will look like. Really easy. So I go ahead and go in with the base gel on all the nails and do the same thing. Now this little stand I got a very, very long time ago from AliExpress. Okay, so right here, I actually went in with the foil at the tip of the nail, and I do that with the rest of the other nails, just at the very tip. And then I continue adding the glitter. And I kind of ombre that in all the way down. Now I do not cover up the cuticle area as much as I do up by the tip and in the center, only because you want that polygel or whatever you're applying to adhere it to your nail to cure fully. And if you put too much glitter or too much polish or just whatever down by the cuticle area and they're not press-ons, it's not going to cure fully. I have had some instances where I did do a design by the cuticle and it was not cured when I popped the nails off. So you got to be very careful. Alright, so now I'm going to prep my nails. You are going to buff off that surface shine, push back those cuticles. You're going to apply your dehydrator and your primer. I'm going to go in with my star glue. This is a foil glue, a regular foil glue. You're going to let that air dry after you apply one coat. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the clear, and from the tip to about a little further than the center, I go ahead and spread that from one side to the other, making sure it's really nice and thin. You don't want it too thick or it's going to look like just a big pile of polygel up underneath the nail. You want to have that same curve that's under that nail, so make sure it's nice and thin. So right here, I was trying to do something a little different. So when I went in with this polygel here, I went super thin. Then I took the little butterflies, encapsulated those inside of that clear polygel. It didn't work out too well because you couldn't really see them through the glitter, but it did work. And I'm going to try this again with something else. Okay, now I'm going over that after it was cured with the white that came in the kit. This is like a off-white, kind of like a milky white. So again, you're going to put that in really nice and thin, pull it from one side to the other, pat, press. I go all the way, almost to the cuticle, but not quite, and then do a full cure. Just like that. Nice and thin. That's all you need. You don't need a lot of polygel. All the way down until I almost reach the cuticle area, and then I will cure. And I just do it this way because it's easier for me when I flip over the nail the polygel's not going all over my hands. And so after I get them all done and ready, I will pop them into the light for 60 seconds and do a full cure. Alright, so right here, I am trying to do a heart, okay? We're going to make a chunky charm heart. And I'm using the pink polygel from the kit. Now, don't laugh, okay? Because my heart was not perfect. I tried. It turned out pretty cute, okay? I'm not going to lie. It really did. And then I go in with the clear and add a little bit of glitter. I do a lot of different things to this heart, you guys. You just have to keep watching. I really didn't know what I was going to do, so I just did it, you know. Alright, now it's time to apply my nails. So I go in with that milky white polygel, and I put a tiny little bead right by the cuticle area, smoothing that out, patting that out from one side to the other, making sure it's nice and thin, nice and smooth. Apply that to your nail at a 45-degree angle. You can watch it go from your cuticle to your free edge. Once it gets there, you're going to go ahead and cure that. If you have anything on the sides, go ahead and clean that up before you cure. Just like you see me do here. I then switched to the clear because the white wasn't curing all the way. So I went ahead and put the rest of the nails on with the clear. And then you're going to do a full 60-second cure. Ta-da! Now you're going to take a no-wipe top coat and top coat the underside to encapsulate your polygel. You're going to do this before you file, shape, and buff because you don't want all that to stick to your polygel. First, I'm going to file the nails, shape them up a bit with the hand file. You can do the entire thing with a hand file if you do not have an e-file. I take my nippers and I nip off any polygel that seeped out that I didn't get at the beginning when I was applying them. Now I take my cuticle bit and I'm going around sealing my cuticles in. Now I usually do not show myself doing this, but I figured why not? Let me go ahead and do it because I still do this. Sometimes I use my hand file, sometimes I do not. Sometimes I just go in with the e-file. The e-file is faster, but if you don't have an e-file, you can definitely use a hand file. I did want to incorporate myself doing this, showed it in so long. But you're just going to go around your cuticles, your side walls, making sure they're nice and flush, making sure it looks good. All right, now I'm going to take that little heart and I kind of try to make it better with the e-file. So I'm trying to smooth out any of the rough edges, you know, make it look like a heart. Now I'm going to go in with the pink polygel again and make it a little more bulky because I wanted it a little thicker. Once you're happy with that, you're going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure, wipe it off. Now I'm going to go in with this glow. This is one of the glow in the dark polishes from Enail Couture. Guys, I forgot I did this. I forgot this was a glow in the dark, so I did not get a picture. Go ahead and put a no wipe top coat over that. Sprinkle in a little fairy dust. And then give that a cure. And then you have your cute chunky charm heart. Now I'm going to go in with the other AB rhinestones that they sent. And these little heart trays, guys, I got them from Enail Couture. They are a godsend because when you shake it like that, it flips them all over right side up. It's amazing. I love it. So I do go over that again with a no wipe top coat just to get it ready. It's cute. Look how cute. I love it. I add some little AB rhinestones to it. See, you can make your own little chunky charms. You can make them out of polygel, just like I did here. It's so fun, and it's so cute. So pop that into the light, go in with my top coat, apply the top coat from cuticle to free edge. Making sure you seal your free edge. Now, as you can see here, I don't know if I told you guys, I did go in with the stiletto and the ballerina shape. I wanted to try them both, and they both looked really nice. So now I'm going to apply the chunky charm. Go ahead and cure that. I was having a really hard time with that thing staying. It was heavy. It was so heavy. Got it on there, and then I found these at Dollar Tree, these little stars. Now they do have holes in them because they're, you know, for like crafting and stuff. But they're so cute. And it just went with the set. I just, you know. Alright, these I got from Shein. So I wanted to go in with the little kitty because, you know, it's a little lazy girl kitty. You know, kitty cats are lazy, you guys. So got to have a kitty cat on there. And it just brought in the set. I thought it was so adorable. And then I go ahead and cure everything, add the cuticle oil, and I forget I didn't even use the big charms. I didn't even use the big gems. So I go in and put a couple of those on, and there you have it. There's the set. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Comment down below. What do you think of the set? What do you think of this polygel kit? I freaking love it. And I hope you guys did too. I will see y'all in the next one. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.